For this exercise, you had to write a Python program that prints the maximum and minimum values in a list. So let's see how you can do that. We have two incredibly helpful functions in Python, max and min, that are going to do exactly that. In this case, the first thing that we have to do is to define a list, of course. And then, since the problem is asking us to check if the list is empty or not, we are going to use a conditional. That conditional will check if my list is empty or not. In this case, we're using truthy values, truthy and falsy values, remember. If a list is not empty, then it will evaluate to true. If it's empty, it will evaluate to false. So in this case, if the list is not empty, then we are going to print the maximum value of the list followed by the minimum value in the list. Else, if the list is empty, so this is false, and the else clause is executed, then we are going to print the value none. Because this is what the problem asked us to print as the output in case the list is empty. So these are the main elements in this solution, max and min. These functions return the maximum and minimum numbers respectively of the sequence that we pass within parentheses. In this case, it's my list. Let's save the file and run the code to see what we get. Like this, we see the value 6, which is the maximum value in the list, followed by the value 3 separated by a space. And that value is the minimum value in the list, which corresponds to this function call. And maximum corresponds to this number right here. Great, so now you know how to solve this coding challenge.